Razin from Bangladesh.
Assalamualaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
If I understand correctly, a husband does not require his wife's permission to enter into a second marriage. In such a case, if the husband chooses to take a second wife, does the first wife have the right to a divorce solely based on emotional distress such as jealousy or resentment, assuming there was no condition in the marriage contract prohibiting a second marriage? Thank you.
There is no one size that fits all. Women differ. A woman who knows that her husband is going to take a second wife and insists on divorcing him, on breaking the marriage, Allah Azza wa Jal will deprive her from entering paradise and finding the scent of it, though the scent of paradise is detected 40 days of travel or 40 years of travel, as per the hadith. So she would not even come close to it. This, if she demanded divorce without any legitimate reason, he wants to get married again, I will show him. I will break the marriage. I will take the children and their custody. I will break his heart as he's attempting to break my heart. It's only vengeance and trying to get even. Nothing Islamic, nothing calling for that. So this woman is sinful. Other women truly and really and genuinely, because no one can know what's in their heart except Allah, and they can convince everybody. The moment they die and go in their graves, they will find the answer there, because Allah only knows, and He will punish them for what they've done. This woman says, Sheikh, I can't tolerate a second marriage. Why? My husband barely spends and provides for us, and he's not showing any kind of emotions, and I'm struggling both physically and mentally. He's not intimate with me, and now when he took the second wife, he's totally ignoring me, and I'm unable to function as a wife. I'm unable to give him his rights, whether it's in regards of intimacy or obedience or the likes. So I know the more rebellious I am and the more distant I am and the more disobedient, Allah Azza wa Jal is cursing me, the angels are cursing me, and I'm doomed. So no, to bail out is far better for me than to stay and stick in this marriage. This woman has a legitimate reason. It's her right to opt for pulling the plug, as they say. So it differs from one person to the other. It differs from one man and how he treated his first wife and how is he treating her after the second marriage, his emotional compensation and his compassion and the way he deals with her makes a whole lot of a difference.